In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate item creation in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a simple rule that organizes new items the moment they're added to your board, keeping your workflow clean and consistent. Start on the Monday.com homepage. From here, open your Workspaces panel to access the area where your boards live. Choose the workspace that contains the board you want to automate and then open that board. It's important to build automations on the exact board where you want them to run, since automations are board specific. At the top of the board, select Automate to open the Automation Center. This is where you can build rules using triggers and actions. You'll see categories you can browse to get ideas or find common use cases. If you already know what you need, use the search bar to quickly find relevant building blocks. Short keywords like created or move work well. For full control in this walkthrough, choose Create from Scratch. You'll first define the trigger, which is the when part of your rule. Click. When this happens, then select Item Created. This tells Monday.com to run your rule every time a new item appears on this board, whether it's added manually, via a form, or from an integration. Next, set the action, which is the then part. Click. Then do this. In the Most Used section, you'll find popular options ready to go. Choose Move Item to Group. This action is perfect for routing new items into the right section of your board without any manual dragging. You'll now see a placeholder for group. Click it to open your list of groups on this board and select the exact group title where you want new items to land. Picking a clear, descriptive group helps teammates know where to find incoming work, and it keeps reporting and filters accurate from the start. With the trigger and action set, click. Create automation to save and activate the rule. Your recipe now reads, when an item is created, move it to the specified group. From this moment on, every new item added to the board will automatically be filed in the group you chose, reducing clutter and saving time. If you need to fine-tune later, you can return to the Automation Center to edit, duplicate, or turn the rule off. Keeping your board structure tidy and your group names consistent will make this automation even more effective. That's it. Your item creation workflow is now automated and hands-off.